Designed by our Sonoma, California team and in collaboration with top repair techs, the Safe Zone S-File sets a new higher standard for what you should expect when you buy a fret crowning file. No detail is overlooked, and it is packed with unmatched features and benefits.
The MusicNomad S-File is a real game changer for fret crowning. It takes the usual learning curve from weeks or months down to a matter of hours. And unlike traditional fret files, the S-File allows you to both feel and hear the change whenever you're finished with your fret crowning.
The patent-pending Safe Zone innovation prevents you from overfiling. At the top of the file, there is a small strip where there are no diamonds. Once you perfectly sculpt and round both sides of the frets, the S-File stops filing and skates on top of the fret. You can hear and feel the difference, and it's time to move to the next fret. It's that simple. File, skate, go. The premium diamonds make both fast and precision filing. Whether you are a seasoned tech or new to fret crowning, it reduces the learning curve from weeks to hours. The 240 Premium Diamond coating is perfectly rounded to closely match the original radius of your frets. One channel is for narrow medium frets, and the other is for wide jumbo frets. After hearing many repair shops complain the wide side of existing files are too flat to use, we increased the roundness of our wide channel to improve the functionality. Additionally, our diamond file cuts in both directions, speeding up the process, unlike tooth files that cut in only one direction. Our comfortable, heavy, ergonomic handle design makes such a big difference. It starts with our innovative blue silicone comfort grip that reduces hand fatigue. The offset design provides both added leverage when filing and allows you to clear the body when filing over it. Weight makes a difference. We beefed up our design so the weight of the S-File does the work for you and is in a weight class by itself at 0.38 pounds or 173 grams. Lastly, the fret size channel application is engraved in the handle so it won't rub off, allowing you to know the correct file size to use. We even include a convenient hang hole. Our exclusive nose design features 2 lines for spot fret crowning. Position the line to be 90 degrees straight up from the frets, and you will just be filing right where the line intersects with the fret. It's so simple but functional. Our high-quality manufacturing process includes radiused and beveled edges along the entire perimeter for the comfort and safety of your fretboard. Don't lose it or loan it. You'll look forward to the next time you crown your frets. That's MusicNomad quality, bringing fret care to the next level.